Hi, here's the ExpressVote machine, which any voter can use to have a private voting experience without any poll workers coming into the booth with you to help you mark your ballot. If you want to use this machine, when you go to the ballot station at your precinct, say, I want to use the ExpressVote machine, and they'll give you one of these special ExpressVote ballots. The poll worker will come over with you to the machine, which will be on the back of the cart that has the ballot counter on it. The poll worker will need to insert this into the machine for you, just because if you have multiple ballot styles at your precinct, which you probably will, it will be the poll worker's job to find your correct precinct so that you're voting in all the correct races, and then move away so that you can begin voting privately. The ExpressVote has a touch screen, so you can press these buttons like this. You can change the zoom if you need the text to be bigger. You can change the contrast if this is easier for you to read. So you can write in a name. You can also move on to the next race. Use this touch pad to move between candidates or back and forth between races if you want to look at your different selections. There is Braille on all these buttons. There's a button for the screen that blacks out the screen so that you can just listen to, the choices on the headphones. When you're got these on and you go up and down to switch between candidates, it reads to you all the names of the candidates. And even when you are putting in a write-in vote, I hit select. Now I can scroll through the alphabet and select the letters that, spell out the name of the person I want to vote for. Move forward to move to the next race. There is also buttons on here to repeat what was just said, to change the speed of the computer voice talking to you, to change the volume of the computer voice, and to pause the computer voice. Now I don't need to vote in every race. I can skip with the forward button any race that I don't want to vote in, and I might just skip through a bunch of them. Now that I've gone through all the races, it gives me a chance to confirm all of my choices, and so I can hear it reading all of the choices that I just made, but I can also see on the screen everything that I just picked. And having confirmed that everything is as I want it to be, when I hit forward, now it tells me, make sure you want to print your card. And which do I have to print? Select. And it prints out any minute now. Here is my ballot, all the choices I made. This barcode is what the ballot reader will read. And so I take this over to the same ballot reader that takes all the other ballots. I slip it in the top slot on there, and then I go on with my day.